Hey boys and girls, I am Tim with Original Strength and I am here in my pajamas to wish you a Merry Christmas. I'm going to show you two Christmas movement snacks today that feel very good and they're actually useful at Christmas time. The first one is the checking the water underneath the tree movement. And this one's very useful to actually see if your tree needs water or not. So what we're going to do is we're going to rock back and then we're going to dive down to the floor to see if there's any water under the tree or not. And then we're going to come back. So we dive down almost to like a full resting push-up position, and then you're going to use your hips to pull your body back into this position here. And this actually feels quite good. And it is useful. You can see if your tree needs watering or not. This tree looks pretty dry, but we're close to Christmas time, so we're probably going to be okay. Anyway, you just work yourself back and forth. Really helps open up the shoulders when you're going into that extension, and feels pretty good in the hips, and you're actually using your hips to actively pull yourself back. Now the second movement is much like that movement. It is that movement, but we're going to add a push-up blower to it. So we're going to make a choo-choo train wheel. And this is useful at Christmas time because some people like to set up train sets around their tree. Some people do, not everybody does. Anyway, similar movement, and this one actually feels very pleasant. Feels good to feel good at Christmas time. So you're going to pull yourself back, rock forward, lower yourself down, and then pull yourself back. So it's almost like you're making that train wheel. Choo-choo, train. And this movement feels great. Feels good in the shoulders, feels good in the hips, and it's fun to do. And you're rocking back and forth, you're activating your vestibular system, actually good for your body. It is actually really good for your mobility. And you don't have to pretend like you're trained if you don't want to, but it is, to me, I thought it was appropriate at Christmas time with my friend Santa here. Now I know what you're thinking. Tim, it's Christmas. You didn't dress up in your pajamas for nothing, and also, where's Chris Farley? I'm glad you asked. So guys, love you guys, Merry Christmas. This is for you. Ho, ho, ho. I'm here with my friend Santa Claus here, and we just both want to wish you a very Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. Wish you a Merry Christmas.
To learn more or consider attending an Original Strength workshop, visit originalstrength.net.